At Capitol Hill right now, confirmation hearings will resume tomorrow for Supreme Court nominee Ketanji Brown Jackson. Judge Jackson is the first black woman ever considered by the Senate Judiciary Committee to serve on the nation's highest court. And today was just an introduction. Tomorrow is when it gets really serious. Our Tom Dempsey joins us live from outside the Supreme Court tonight. And Tom, we expect lawmakers to start asking those tough questions.
Yeah, it should be an interesting day tomorrow. Day one for Ketanji Brown Jackson meant sitting in front of the Senate Judiciary Committee on Capitol Hill for 4.5 hours. But things will likely be much more challenging on Tuesday as she gets set for some tough questions from Republicans. Confirmation hearings for Ketanji Brown Jackson got underway on Monday and offered the Supreme Court nominee a chance to introduce herself in front of all 22 members of the Senate Judiciary Committee and the rest of the country.
I have dedicated my career to ensuring that the words engraved on the front of the Supreme Court building, "Equal justice under law," are a reality and not just an ideal.
After graduating from Harvard and serving as a federal appeals court judge, if confirmed, Jackson would become the first black woman to serve on the nation's highest court. With her family seated behind her on Monday, Jackson listened as Democrats lauded her background.
You're the first black woman, and it's long past time.
You're a living witness to the fact that in America, all is possible.
But in a sign of things to come this week, Republicans zeroed in on Jackson's time as a public defender and federal judge.
I'm a bit troubled by some of the positions you've taken and arguments that you've made, representing people who have committed terrorist acts against the United States.
Both Tuesday and Wednesday will offer senators a chance to ask questions directly to Jackson. Ahead of the hearings, Jackson made a promise if she later becomes a member of the Supreme Court.
I commit to you that I will work productively to support and defend the Constitution.
Questioning is scheduled to begin around 9 tomorrow morning, and the hearings will go until Thursday of this week when the American Bar Association and others offer other testimony. Live on Capitol Hill, I'm Tom Dempsey, WUSA 9.
All right, Tom, thank you so much.